In the years leading up to the American Revolution, tensions were high between the American colonies and the British government. The British Parliament had imposed a series of taxes on the colonies, including the Stamp Act and the Townshend Acts, which were met with significant resistance and protest from the colonists. Among these taxes was the Tea Act of 1773, which granted the British East India Company a monopoly on tea sales in the American colonies, allowing it to sell surplus tea at a reduced rate but still include a tax. Many colonists viewed this as another example of taxation without representation, a concept they fiercely opposed. In Boston, the situation came to a head in December 1773. The Sons of Liberty, a group of colonists who resisted British control, organized a protest against the Tea Act. On the evening of December 16, 1773, a group of colonists disguised as Mohawk Indians boarded 3 ships docked in Boston Harbor: the Dartmouth, the Eleanor, and the Beaver. In a dramatic act of defiance, the protesters, led by Samuel Adams and others, proceeded to dump 342 chests of British tea into the harbor. This event, now known as the Boston Tea Party, was a bold statement against British rule and taxation policies. The destruction of the tea amounted to a significant financial loss for the British East India Company and served as a powerful symbol of colonial resistance. The British government responded to the Boston Tea Party with harsh measures, known as the Coercive Acts or Intolerable Acts, which further restricted the autonomy of the colonies and inflamed tensions even more. This event and the subsequent British response played a crucial role in uniting the colonies against British rule and set the stage for the outbreak of the American Revolutionary War in 1775. The Boston Tea Party remains a key moment in American history, symbolizing the fight for independence and self-determination.